Thank you, Aníbal, and everyone for being here. Across the world, the spread of organized crime and government's militarization of public security have resulted in gross human rights violations against marginalized populations, including racial, ethnic, and socioeconomic minorities. Unfortunately, however, societies often remain largely indifferent to these power abuses. One important reason is that people often blame victims because they perceive to be involved with criminal organizations. So how can human rights movements elicit solidarity and mobilize citizens against injustice? A rich literature focuses on the role of transnational movements, including Amnesty International, but my dissertation shifts the focus to domestic, largely grassroots organizations, often led by the mothers of victims of human rights abuses and specifically of disappearance in the context of Mexico's war on drugs. Dominant models of political science would suggest that these groups are very unlikely to exert any relevant influence on public opinion due to their marginalized socioeconomic status. But my dissertation argues that these groups can leverage the power of human rights campaign to share their own personal stories and narratives and bring about empathy and mobilize against injustice for solidarity. However, I also showed that in some cases, especially when perpetrators belong to criminal organizations, human rights campaigns might also elicit some public appetite for extra-legal violence to harshly retaliate against perpetrators. Consequently, my findings have potentially conflicting implications for the prospect of human rights and the rule of law in violent democracies. Thank you so much.